Hey y'all, it's John Deere 330, and today I'll be starting the Farmall Cub up for you. It ain't been started about a week and a half or 2 weeks, around that time. And it's gonna be a cold start. Well, sort of cold start. It's now about 69 degrees here, and I'm loving it. This is the first real day of warmth we've had in a long time. So let's go ahead and fire up. Hopefully she'll fire up right here in a few seconds. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Fire right up. Sounds good. Don't look so good, but sounds good. We got some equipment to go on it. All I need is a drawbar that goes around it. The one that swings out this way. Once I find one of those, I'll be able to use the equipment we got for it. That right there, either that one's homemade or it's made specifically for the mowing deck that goes underneath it. Yep. Alright, well, sound good. Ain't been running quite some time, about, let's say at the most 2 weeks, because my grandfather pulled the splitter over here, and still got some more split up there, right here and over there. You got some more to go pick up too, but it is, let's see, January 15th, 2010. So yep. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. And hopefully I'll be able to make some more videos here pretty soon. So maybe one on the garden or something, I don't know. So we'll see y'all later. Y'all come back now here. Bye.